Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about IELTS, that is International English Language Testing System. In this video, we are going to talk about everything that you need to know about the exam so that you are fully aware before you go and attempt one. It is interesting to know that English is the third most spoken language in the world. Therefore, it becomes kind of essential to learn the language so that it opens more and more job opportunities for you around the world. Therefore, now let us come back to the question that why IELTS? Take this exam if you have to work, study, or migrate to a country where English is the native language. For example, to the countries like Australia, New Zealand, USA, UK, or Canada. Therefore, I wouldn't be wrong to say that it is not just about opening more job opportunities for you around the world. Rather, it is also about good integration with the community which speaks English, meaning that you will be able to have a good social life if you know the language of the region. Let's talk about what are you assessed on in the IELTS exam. In the IELTS exam, you will be assessed on your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills in the English language. On the scale of 1 to 9, each section will have 40 questions for 1 mark each. The total test time is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Listening, reading, and writing are to be done on the same day without any break. However, the speaking task can be done 7 days before the exam or 7 days after the exam, but it completely depends on the center that you choose. Mostly they take on the same day before the test or after the test of reading, listening, and writing. Many of you would want to know if you can take the IELTS exam online also. Of course, the answer is yes. You can take the IELTS exam online. On the screen is the list of places where IELTS exam can be taken online. Only difference between online and offline IELTS exam is that the speaking task still needs to be done face to face. The rest remains the same. If you choose to give the exam online, then you get more options regarding when do you want to take the exam. So if you want that liberty, then you can go for online mode of IELTS exam. Very important thing to know about IELTS exam is that it is of two kinds, general and academic. Listening and speaking are same in both of them, but reading and writing are different. Therefore, it is important for you to know that which exam you have to appear for, and it will also help you in your preparation then. Another very important and very frequent question that students appearing for IELTS ask is that what exact score do I need? Or how good should my English be? Every immigration body, university, and workplace has a very specific IELTS score requirement. Therefore, I would say it completely depends on the purpose for which you're giving IELTS. However, we will talk about this topic in much greater details in our upcoming videos, and you will get to know more and more about IELTS and how can you proceed with your preparation for IELTS and score amazing. Stay tuned if you want to know what score you will get at your present English level, and also if you need coaching to get a good score in IELTS. Share this video with your friend who is about to give IELTS and subscribe to my channel.